In front of me is Xiaomi 13 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video files to text message on this Xiaomi. You need to begin by opening Messages app. Now click on one of your chats and tap on this plus icon at the bottom left corner. Following that, select Files next to Stickers, and Location. Now you can hold one of those right away or select those filters. If you wish to, you can also click on one of your apps or select those three lines at the top left corner and pick one of those sources, like downloads. Finally, hold your file, in my case audio 1, and choose Select at the top right corner. As you can see, it was successfully added. If you want to send it, just click on Send button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!